In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to save credit card information on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Linking any credit or debit card to your iPhone is extremely simple. There are two main ways to do this. You can link your card to your Apple ID and your Apple Wallet. I'm gonna teach you how to do both of them in this video. So to start, I'm gonna showcase how you can link it to your Apple ID so you can use it in conjunction with services like iCloud. So go into the settings and your Apple ID should be available at the top. If you haven't signed into an Apple account, then you will be able to do so now, but what you have to do in this menu is to tap on your Apple ID or Apple account. You will see a bunch of options, and one of them is going to be payment and shipping. This is where you can manage the payment methods and consequently add a new card. So tap on payment and shipping. Now you will see all of the payment methods that are currently attributed to the account. And if you want to add a new one, choose the option here, Add Payment Method. As long as you have verified your Apple account and you tap this option inside of the settings under your Apple ID, you will begin the process of adding a new payment method. So you will be able to choose between Apple Card, credit or debit card, and PayPal. For this video, since we're focusing on debit card, make sure that you choose this option, but you can add other ones that you see here as well. Once you tap credit/debit card, you will now have to input the necessary credentials. So usually it is going to be the full card number, the expiration date, security code, and information about the card holder, like your name and probably a zip code. Once you input all of these required details, you will be able to save the card and it is going to appear under the registered payment methods on your Apple account here. And now you can use it in conjunction with various different services. If you want to add the card to your wallet, open the Apple Wallet application, which should be installed by default. Tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen and you will see the option to add a new debit or credit card. Now just follow through with the prompts. Choose the option to enter the card details manually or by using your camera and you will be able to get it done. I hope I was able to help you on how to save credit card information on iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.